Okay, so with the help of an example, let's learn how to create journal entries systematically in the accounting software Tally. And you just have to put the names and it will do the rest. Just have to put the details. So I hope that by now you must have learned how to create journal entries. Doesn't matter systematically or not, we'll learn systematically right now. If still you are not able to understand journal entries fully, then right here I have with me the cheat sheet. So you can use this cheat sheet like I am doing to be more prompt and more clear. So this right here is the gateway of Tally, and to create journal entries we have to go to this this menu, and this is the sub menu that we want to choose for creating accounting vouchers. Now what is voucher? Voucher is a bill, a invoice, or a supporting document, anything of a confirmation. Suppose you purchased a good, suppose you purchased something from Amazon Incorporation, suppose you purchased a telephone, and the bill is called as voucher and it will have all the details. It is basically an invoice which will act as a supporting document to create our own journal entries. So let's see what we have right here. Go to accounting voucher, or you can press V. V is the hotkey, as you can see right here. V is the hotkey. You can also use arrows. So I'm going to just press V. Okay, so it says right here Alphabet and Company journal buy. So what is buy and what is to? As I explained you before, buy is to is credit in the previous lecture, so buy is debit. This is how Tally uses and most of the accounting world uses to reflect debit, and to is to reflect credit. But you don't have to worry because it will show the amount separately. So the first question that it asks us is, which ledger of accounts do you want to put that entry in? Let's check out our question. The question says, commenced business with cash rupees 10,000, and introducing our cheat sheet. Identify all accounts. The accounts here are cash and capital. So let us choose capital account right here. You can use arrow keys to choose it. As I said, you here it is written buy, so you don't have to worry about buy because it will automatically put you into the debit entry. So cash came in, hence you want to debit what came in and credit what goes out because it is a real account. So I'll again go to this right here and click on where is cash. Okay, so I don't have cash with me right here, so I need to create a ledger known as cash, but it should be right here. I don't know why it is not here. So let us create a ledger known as cash. There is a basic shortcut to create a ledger when we are making a journal entry, that is to press Alt C. Okay, so Alt C. Right here I have with me. If you press Alt C, it will take you to this ledger creation section. Now let us create this ledger right here, that is cash. Name already exists, enter a different name. Okay, then why does it not shows? Okay, so I know that why it is not allowing us to create a cash entry in the journal books. Let me explain you. So go to accounting voucher, and as you can see right here, there are various options to create a voucher. So this right here is a journal entry. This right here is a contra entry which includes bank and cash. So here is a payment entry, here is a receipt entry, here is a sales entry, here is a purchase entry. So suppose, why are these entries different? These are all journal entries only. Second, I'll remove this tab. Okay, I'll choose, suppose I choose F8 and I choose sales. So this is how you'll create your own bill, your own invoice of your own company, and you can choose, you can shift to each one of them via the hotkeys that are shown here, that is F6, F7, F9 or F4. So we have to enter the entry of the cash. Now let's go to the question to get a better understanding. What is it asking? Commence business with cash rupees 10,000. So cash of rupees 10,000 is received. You can assume your own currency here. It doesn't matter which currency you choose. The final answer of all of us will be same. So we have received the cash. Okay. So let's go to tally. Okay. Now as we have received the cash, we'll select F6 or we'll choose this receipt column. Click on it and it will show you various details right here. So let us put which account that we have received into. That is, you can put cash if you want to right here, or you can put bank. As we have received cash, we are going to enter cash, and then now you put right here capital. Okay, so that is 10,000. Okay, enter. Right here you can write your own narration, that is the explanation. Commenced business with cash rupees 10,000. Okay, so this helps us in better understanding. And now one more thing it asks us is date. The date we want to use is 1/9/2019. Okay, so you can choose, go select this right here, or capital you can choose, you can press F2 and enter the date 01/09/2019. Date cannot be below the financial year beginning the date. Okay, so as I have previously explained you, the financial year, if we are working in a financial year 2020 to 21, that is, let me show you right here. Right here, as you can see, this is the period. Just a second. This right here is the period, current period 1/4/22, 31/3/2021. So it will not allow us to make any backdated entry. For that, you can click on this or change your period 1/4/19/2021. Okay, and then you can go into that receipt account, or you could have done it right here also by pressing Alt plus F2. Okay, now let's see the magic of Alt plus F2. Alt plus F2, it will ask us to change the period. So as we have period now 1st April 2021, and the date that we want to put is 01/09/2019, lies in financial year beginning date. Okay, so we have this error again right now, and let's see what we can do about it. Let's escape. We'll go to main gateway of Tally. We'll choose company info and then go to alter a company info. Enter. This is enter. So right here, as you can see, financial year begins from 1st April 2020 and books begins from 1st April 2020. So this is right where your financial year is. Financial year, that is 12 months you have to put. Okay, it will automatically calculate, and the books beginning from is the date of start of your business. Date of start of business. So let us assume that of our business. Okay, so let us assume that we have the date of start of business as 1st April 2002. Okay, so enter and 2002, enter. Okay, why is it not allowing us? Financial year begins. Okay, we'll have to change this one also. 1/4/2002. Date entered before this date will be lost. Okay, data entered before this date will be lost. Okay, sir. Yes, but we have not. Yes, only there will be a data loss. Are you sure you want to proceed? Yes. Okay, accept. So we have changed the date, and now if we go to the creation of a voucher, that is the receipt of cash. Cash comes from business. Let's select again. Let us change the date first. Let us try to change the date first. 1.1.19. Date cannot be below the current period. Okay, sir. Now what about the current period? Let us change the current period once again. Okay. Why is it not even allowed us? Oh, 9/2019. Okay. Yes. So we have received cash. That is cash. Choose cash right here, and we have the which account do we have received cash? Capital account. 10,000. Okay. So this has automatically created capital debit credit balance for. I'll show you right here. This is automatically created credit balance for capital and automatically created debit balance for cash as cash came in. Okay, so let us now make this entry full. Complete this entry. Commenced business with cash 10K. Okay. Do you want to accept this entry? Yes. Enter. The entry is now created. Now let's check this entry out. You can either go on balance sheet to see this. As you can see right here, this balance sheet is already balanced because when the cash came in, this side increased, and the capital, which is liability of the business to for another person's cash, it is also increased. Hence, this is balanced. Let us check out some another account. Profit and loss account. Okay, this is not affected because it is not expense or not is nor an income. Let us check. Okay, so this is the importance of putting groups. When you create accounts, it will automatically bifurcate. So if you open current assets account, it will show cash in hand, and if you open this entry, it will show this entry was created in September. If you open this entry, this will show the entry right here, which here it shows the date, and yeah, so basically this is it. So this is how you create a receipt entry whenever you receive a cash. Now let's move on to the second part of the question.